Yeah, my name is Gautam. I'm the co-founder of and CEO of Trustt. We are a technologies product company which builds the technology stack for digital lending, digital distribution, identity solutions, and the latest one being the Trustt GPT for the banking and the financial services sector. Right. So today, I'm going to be focusing more on the demo. So now everybody. You guys have all heard about Chat GPT, obviously, right? We can. At some point in time, we couldn't stop talking about Chat GPT and as to how it was transforming the way we were doing work. Okay, and what is the power of a technology like GPT, which is like generative pre-trained transformers, to transform the experience that we have in the in the banking and financial services sector is what I thought we will focus on, right? So today we are going to demo to you in terms of how GPT technology can transform the experiences of the customers. Okay, and it is all based on large language models. Okay, which is the AI model using using which it is intelligent enough to answer and get the context of the conversation more in a human-like fashion, right? So like we have all heard about in terms of what is the there are so many esteemed colleagues of mine, CXOs of various lending companies who came here and donned the stage today. I know they all spoke about in terms of how they are lending to the farmers, to the MSME, to the micro businesses, daily wage earners. Okay, and we all know the power of vernacular language in that. Okay, even today. Okay, most of the conversation that is happening by the sales officers on the ground is in the vernacular language. They are speaking, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, whatever, but all our forms are in English. Okay, all our websites are in English. All our FAQs are in English, right? Okay, and that creates a. If I could speak, of course, not to this audience, but I wish I could speak more in Tamil, and say Ipidi Irukanga and all that, but my Tamil is only limited to that. But think about it, if we can do that, what will be the customer experience? If I can discover the products of your NBFC by simply talking, to your interface, okay, in case of a self-service kind of a customer, or even if your sales officers, okay, who are on the ground can be assisted, okay, by helping discover the right kind of a product or the structure of the product that needs to be done for the customer, then I think it is going to make a difference in terms of to your business and also to the customers who are interacting with you, right? Yeah. So let's go to the Trustt GPT slide. Okay. So that is one of the use cases as to how do you do product discovery. Okay. Now, so and then think about in terms of the underwriting process itself. Most of the conversation that's happening on the ground, there are signals to be picked up from the voice data that is coming up, right? So, we are talking about, I think the previous panel was talking about, is there too much data, right? And there is new type of data that is coming in, and large part of it is also voice files. So right now we are like working on some pilots where we are looking at in terms of the sentiment analysis of the voice files when it comes to underwriting, also when it comes to collections. Okay, so how do you do that? By using technology, effectively. Okay, so that is from a underwriting perspective. Now, if I go beyond underwriting in terms of the customer service or in collections, okay, all of these places, we believe that a product like Trustt GPT, which leverages the large language models, okay, which is based on deep neural networks, okay, out there, and which can play in the context of the information that is available in a more human-like manner, and can do conversation in vernacular languages. So we support like 11 vernacular languages, all the South and the East language and the Marathi and Hindi and so on, plus English. Okay, in that case, the entire experience and our ability to get more customers included, okay, given this kind of segment that we are doing it, is going to be a lot better. Okay, so that's what we will demonstrate today. Okay. So it's a demo time, and yeah, we are on the Wi-Fi, and hopefully, I think. So what we have done here, what I'm going to be demonstrating to you is, we have basically looked at the data which is already available on the HDFC Bank's website. Okay, since I'm demoing, I can't do, obviously can't do private data, but when we do for any other customer, it will be the website data plus internal product documentation plus whatever else is available. All that is consumed, and what we create is like a knowledge graph, right? And in that knowledge graph is therefore does not hallucinate like Chat GPT will do, right? Because Chat GPT is obviously looking at the entire internet data, but for you, for any customer, we are only leveraging or guardrailing it against the data that is applicable to the particular organization, okay, particular NBFC, right? And so that is one. Secondly, I think the first session was all about innovation and compliance as to how do you manage that. We all know that we are in the regulated entity, RE, as RBI calls it, in that space, right? So our data will have to be locally resident in India. Our data, we have to be careful about how the PII, is not, going to the internet, and it can potentially lead to data leaks per se. There are, sensitive data like Aadhaar or mobile number and email ID and so on and so forth, which is there. We don't want to do that. So I think we have to manage both of these things. So the idea is not to leverage an OpenAI APIs to do this, but to have a LLM model which is proprietary, which is what we have done. Okay, we've been working on this for some time. Okay, and then leverage that. So with that, okay, let me just go through the demo itself. Okay. हेलो, आप मुझे HDFC बैंक के लोन प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बता सकते हैं? So I'm just asking a question, and again, like every human being does, okay, we all speak in different mixed languages.
HDFC Bank offers a range of loan products to suit your needs. We offer personal loans, home loans, car loans, business loans, pre-owned car loans, and pre-approved car loans. Our loan products are designed to help you meet your financial goals. We offer competitive interest rates and flexible repayment options. You can apply for a loan online or visit your nearest HDFC Bank branch for more information.
எனக்கு two-wheeler loan ಬೇಕು. Okay, can you tell me about that? I'm just testing, I hope it kind of, I think I did mix up even Kannada and this thing, okay? So, sorry about that, but hopefully it will pick up, I need a two-wheeler loan. It did pick up.
Yes, yeah? You can get an HDFC Bank two-wheeler loan. You need not necessarily have an account with us. The minimum loan amount is 20,000 rupees and the maximum is 1.5 lakh rupees. But you can borrow up to 85% of the ORP depending on the model. A service charge of 500 rupees is applicable for changes in loan repayment instructions issued from non-HDFC Bank account.
Okay, I know. Being cognizant of the time. Yeah. What is this ORP in two-wheeler loan?
ORP stands for on-road price, and it is the total cost of the two-wheeler including registration, insurance, and other taxes.
Okay, great. But do you also give gold loans?
Yes, we do offer gold loans. Our gold loan assistant will be taking you forward from here to help you apply for a gold loan.
So I just
to proceed with the gold loan application process, please confirm.
So I just moved from a product discovery to a product origination flow now, right? So I'm going to now do a gold loan origination flow. हाँ, कृपया आगे बढ़िए.
Thank you for confirming. Now, I will need some information from you to complete the application process. May I know your full name?
Na peru Gautam Bandyopadhyay. I just said something, I'm changing languages, and randomly, like I would do, real conversations will happen. And
thank you for providing your name, Nepa Gautam Bhardwaj. Next,
it
may I know
obviously
your
got it
mobile
wrong,
number?
right? Yeah. So, no, my name is Gautam Bandyopadhyay. So, like any model, it of course needs a certain
Apologies
amount of
for the confusion. Thank you for providing your correct name, Gautam Bandyopadhyay. Next, may I know your mobile number?
Can you tell me all the information that you need at once so that I can complete the process faster? So I'm breaking the flow. Like, usually in any app flow or so, you will ask one by one and get it. But here I'm saying that, okay, can I take everything together, right?
I apologize for any inconvenience caused. To ensure accurate processing, I need to collect the information one step at a time.
Okay, so
let's proceed with your mobile number first. Please provide your mobile number. I apologize for any inconvenience caused.
My mobile number is 9945225260.
Thank you for providing your mobile number, 9945225260. Now, may I know your date of birth?
My date of birth is 2nd August 1980. Well, it's not, but today is 2nd August. I didn't stop it. I hope it doesn't pick up. Yeah, but it didn't.
Thank you for providing your date of birth as the 2nd of August 1980. Now, let me calculate your age to validate if you fall within the eligible age range for a gold loan. Please wait a moment.
Okay, what other information I need to provide for the gold loan?
Thank you for your patience. Based on your provided date of birth, the 2nd of August 1980, your current age is calculated as 42 years.
So
Great
we can
news.
build validations
You fall
as
within
may
the
be
eligible
required,
age
based
range
on
for
the
a
bank
gold
processes,
loan.
and
To
all that is
proceed with the
happening
gold loan
not in a
application,
traditional
I will
way,
need 2 more pieces
but
of
in a way which is like really leveraging the large language models. These can be just using embeddings and prompt engineering and so on and so forth. There are various techniques to do that, right? Okay. I have 22 karat gold and I have like 40 grams of gold. मुझे कितना लोन मिल सकता है? I'm actually twisting it, right? It's asking me for. So let me see that if it gives me some indication in terms of what kind of a.
Thank you for providing the weight of your gold as 40 grams and mentioning that it is 22 karat gold. To calculate the loan amount, I will need the current market value of 22 karat gold per gram. May I proceed with the...
Please proceed.
Thank you for your confirmation. The current market value of 1 gram of 22 karat gold is 5,607. So based on the weight of 40 grams and the market value of 20.
So this can integrate into a real-time feed or any other like data that you may want to fix it for the day or so on and so forth. So all that integration is all feasible. Okay. Okay. So how much loan can I get?
Thank you for waiting. Based on the calculations, with 40 grams of 22 karat gold and the current market value of 22 karat gold per gram, 5,607, the maximum loan amount you can get is 224,280.
Okay, please proceed with the loan amount and process my loan application.
Thank you for confirming. I just want to make sure that all the information provided is accurate. Please confirm the following details. Name, Gautam Bandyopadhyay. Mobile number, 9945225260. Date of birth, the 2nd of August 1980. Gold weight, 40 grams. Loan amount, 224,280. If any of the information is incorrect, please provide the correct details.
The information is correct. आगे बढ़िए please.
Thank you for confirming the information, Gautam Bandyopadhyay. Your gold loan application will be taken for processing with the provided details. Please note that a representative from our team will contact you shortly regarding the further steps and documentation required. If you have any further inquiries or need assistance, feel free to ask. Thank you for choosing our services and have a good day.
So it actually went ahead and created a gold loan application in the whichever CRM system or that you want to create. So my point is that these kind of technologies are going to be significantly changing the way we offer our services to the end customer. Whether it is for helping our own sales officers to do product discovery, and serve, or call center executives to service the customers, okay, in terms of giving them contextual answer. We all know that the call center experiences are broken, right? When we get a call, we have to dial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, okay, and to find out the right option, they don't know our context. Okay, so given and also in terms of how you can acquire customers, how you can actually do voice analytics in terms of understanding the sentiment and improve your collections, improve your underwriting process. All of that is so GPT is here, and GPT of course needs to be used in a way which is consistent with our regulations. It has to be data localized. It has to be cognitive of the the data of the customer, which is PII data of the customers. And if we can use it well, okay, and our product actually enables that, then the entire banking experience can be can be changed. The way we service our customers, way we acquire customers is going to be transforming. Our stall is just behind this the curtain that you see there. Okay. Happy to, if you have any questions, I can take a few now, or anytime you want to get into some discussion, we are there right behind you. Thank you very much.